What's up, YouTubers? This is Dirk coming at you with a little plumbing solution. Let me show you what I got. So I've been smelling strong gas, sewer gas, methane, right? From my sink. P-trap is obviously good, but my air admittance valve is bad. And there's a little, it's very sensitive system inside that's designed to lift up as soon as the flow is going down, so it has air. This replaces a vent stack on your roof, and then when the flow stops, it effectively closes and sewer gases can't get out. But if it goes bad, the P-trap is full of water, but if you're smelling something, it's because the sewer gases are coming up straight through this. In theory, they're closed. They come here, hit the water, and they can't continue to travel up into your sink where it smells. So what I'm going to do right now, unfortunately, there's not even anything I can salvage to cut right here and put new PVC in for the new air valve to fit. So what we're going to do is cut right here and then just add this new T to it, keep all the guts of the P-trap intact. And then I'm going to come off here. I'm going to run a 90 off of this and then come up, run another 90, and then there'll be plenty of room for it to come up and then just be sitting. So step one, right, I'm going to empty the P-trap. If you're doing this job, it's not that difficult, right? Pull the P-trap off. If you need to loosen this to pull it off of the drain, then that's fine. But I'm about to go get a saw and then cut it off about right here. So it was much easier to cut without the obtrusion of the P-trap. This is just so that as I'm holding it, it didn't keep dripping on my wrist there. The goal is to not even touch that, obviously. Oh man, what a difference that makes already. I put a microfiber towel. It's probably shoved all the way down to here, but I left it mushrooming out so I didn't lose it all the way down or have it pushed. And then I, of course, just duct taped it all just to try to show, you know, there's no room in there to cut that off. That's a JB Solutions. I'm not going to diss them. That's what we have everywhere else. But you know, there's a you're hearing it. It's broken. It was trapped. Okay, there's the holes underneath there that it breathes through. Okay, but if the little trap, right, is broken or stuck, then it won't work. I didn't show it, but I cut another 1.5 inch piece to fit the P-trap. And just a word that these adapters are very thin walled, right, compared to actual ABS pipe, right? So if you look at it and go, oh my gosh, this is smaller than that, right? It's not the exact same size. That's okay. It's meant for that, is it will just slide right on. Okay, I'm gonna glue that up, and then I gotta kind of build the P-trap to see if I need to cut, how much to cut that down. Probably only about 1/2 inch realistically, maybe 1 inch, and then keep going. Okay, all cleaned up. Just a final look at everything. Turned it on and tested it, no leaks whatsoever. So this was 40 bucks worth of parts. If it happens again, then I know that I could just cut the PVC off and put on another one. Hopefully, if you have to do this, it's easy for you. Peace.